Today's post is brought to you by the Atlantica Properties team, powered by eXp Realty.
Tax time. A guide to doing it yourself. Tax season will be here before you know it, and if you haven't made a decision on how you'll prepare your taxes this year, here are a few tips that may push you toward a DIY approach. Shop around for software. TurboTax.com is generally the most popular and trusted tax software option, but you'll typically have to pay around $60 per year. It may be worth your time to shop around for some free options. Many tax prep software applications are free up to a certain income threshold, and your costs will also vary depending on the sources of your income. A person with a single W-2 form will usually pay less than a person with multiple W-2s, 1099s, investment income, and other income sources. Take advantage of homeownership. If you are listening to this video, there's a good chance you're a homeowner. Tax time is one of those events that show the benefits of homeownership because you can get some major tax deductions. Mortgage interest, property taxes, and some home buying costs are among the deductions you may be eligible for. Your tax preparation software should guide you through these deductions. DIY is great, but so is a tax professional. DIY tax preparation isn't for everyone. Though tax software companies offer audit assistance for an extra fee, some people enjoy the peace of mind that comes with meeting a tax professional and being able to ask questions about your taxes in person. A tax professional is particularly helpful if your taxes recently became more complicated, like if you started a business or completed several real estate transactions.
For other great tips and resources, visit us at buy-sell-atlhomes.com. If you're a first-time homebuyer or looking to sell your home or invest in rental property, click the link in the description to arrange a one-on-one video consultation with one of our licensed agents to answer any questions you may have. The Atlantica Properties team is here to help. Call us at 678-900-7728. That's 678-900-7728.